guys, this is Fatima and today we would be discussing key success factors for Amazon.com. Factors beyond Amazon.com global acceptance and success can be categorized into 4 categories. Number 1 is offering competitive prices. Number 2 is straightforward web design and friendly interface. Number 3 is convenient payment system. And most importantly, the unique shopping experience. Talking about the first one, that is price. Amazon differentiates itself mainly on the basis of price and by making sure that it offers the same quality products as any other company with a noticeably lower price. In addition, sellers do not pay any fees for product listing and it costs nothing until the product is sold. In order to make this happen, Amazon.com is doing great effort with wholesalers and tends to connect to resources that give it scale rather than adding internal physical mass. The online bookstore allows lesser geographical constraint and easier expansion. According to John Jordan, Amazon is roughly 10% cheaper than a physical retailer with more cost saving with order size. Independent sellers or affiliates play a major role in selling the products and they constitute about 40% of the entire sale. Talking about the next one, web design, Amazon is considered an undisputed leader in online shopping with a well-defined website. The organized visual hierarchy, page organization, and friendly interface and layout allow easy navigation and enjoyable shopping. Amazon believes in customer differentiation and consumers easily recognize and differentiate Amazon.com experience from others. Personalized shopping experience is one of a kind in which users get recommendations and summary related to the user's interest and purchasing or search history. Talking about the third one, convenient payment. All payments are handled securely by Amazon.com itself. Sellers do not have to establish different payments account as in eBay. Amazon.com provides a convenient one-click ordering that allow customers to make purchases without getting into the hassles of another online checkout payment system. Talking about the last one, extraordinary convenient shopping experience, wide selection. Being exclusively online, Amazon was able to provide access to 1.5 million new books and about 1 million used ones. This is estimated to be 100 times the size of a typical mall bookstore. Moreover, Amazon expanded into a variety of categories beyond media. Another feature of Amazon.com is Search Inside. One great feature is the easy access to the catalog via web services by the search inside the book to help users to search for a keyword inside the text. Amazon cooperated with around 130 publishers for this service. Another feature is reviews. The ability for people to rate products and leave reviews worked as an important, highly influential tool. Another one is EDOC. This new feature allows customers to have their document viewed electronically on screen. Customers do not have to pay for shipping or handling. Customer service support help. Although the buying or selling procedure is usually trouble-free, the website provides rich amount of online help and FAQ system.
For more useful information, like this video and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notifications.